In this video, I'll show you how to cancel reservation as a host on Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel reservation as a host. So go ahead and switch to hosting or manage your listing. In this section, you'll be able to find the current reservations available for your listing. So you'll be able to find it into this section divided into checking out, currently hosting, arriving soon, upcoming, and pending review. And for you to be able to cancel that, you just need to simply click on that specific reservation that you want to cancel and cancel that reservation from that appointment. For example, this listing has a reservation. You can simply click on this instant book off feature to be able to cancel the reservations and bookings for this listing. And that is how you can basically cancel reservation as a host on Airbnb. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.